Hey Queens, how are you? We are here today to show you how to put on your fantastic waist beads from Crown Essence LLC. So let me take off my crown and let's get started. So when you first get your waist beads in the mail, they may come a little uneven. You see there's a lot of string on this side, no string on this side. I already started the process, but all you have to do is push the waist beads down until you have string on both sides. So the next thing that you do is you wrap the waist beads around you. And the good thing about our waist beads are they come at least 45 inches long. So you're able to adjust them to your size. So for me, I'm gonna come to the side a little bit. I'm gonna push them until I get to my midsection. So for me, I wanna cross them right here. So I wanna make sure that I have enough waist beads on both sides. So I have too much white. So I'm gonna push some back on both sides. This right here is perfect for me. Now for some people, if you're on a weight loss journey, you might wanna tie your waist beads up here. So as you lose weight, I'm gonna suck it in, they'll drop. However, if you just wanna be sexy around the house, sexy for your man, sexy outside, you can also start your waist bead journey down here. And as you can see, I don't have enough beads, so then I have to push more before I tie them. But for me, I like my waist beads up here, and then I like them to casually drape and fall as time goes on. So I'm gonna readjust them for them to tie right here. So as you can see, I'm tying here, which means I have to move the waist beads down some. Then all you do is crisscross and tie. So do it again. That's all you have to do. Now for my security, I always like to tie at least 3 or 4 times. So I'm gonna do it again. And I'm gonna do it one more time. Now, as we always mention, this is 100% cotton, very thick. There's at least 5 to 6 strands of cotton, so everything should be secure. So all you have to do now is take your scissors and cut as close as you can. And then pull them around and ta-da, there's your waist beads. Now the great part about our waist beads as well, being that they're at least 45 inches long, you will always have excess. So what I can do with this now is I can create a bracelet perfectly, and I can also create an anklet. So keep that in mind. If you want to keep them, you can also store them away in a Ziploc bag for if they were to pop or you gain a little weight and you wanted to extend them, you can always retie them and extend them as well. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you have any questions, please DM us or email us. We're always here to help. And I'll see you next time, Queens. Thank you.